Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
It is a cloudy day out there to start the day. We have some rain showers to the north. Those rain showers are going to hang north most of the day today. We could see some scattered rain, but the better rain chances, and this is the big weather story, July 4th evening into Friday morning, we're going to have a front. That front will bring us rain. We need the rain, but the rain could interfere with your fireworks shows or homemade displays that you've got going on. It's going to be looming and in the area by the time the sun sets late on July 4th. So keep that in mind as we head into the next few days. Let's talk about what's happening here. Here's what's going on right now. Our temperatures out across the region are very warm to start the day. Really sticky, aren't they? I mean, it's already 80 degrees in Rogers. It's 80 in Fort Smith. I plotted some of the rain on here too. Let me turn these temperatures off and I'll show you kind of what's going on out across the region. You have this stalled front that's sitting here across Missouri and then back down into parts of Oklahoma. Now, in the vicinity of that front, that's where the Storm Prediction Center has that risk area. So that does include some parts of Fayetteville, but really the better risk chances and the higher rain chances are going to be here across southern Missouri. As far as rain goes this morning, there have been a few showers that are out there. They're mostly to the west and to the north along that boundary, coming up I-44. Not much in northwest Arkansas, but as I showed you just a moment ago, we may not get the rain, but we're getting the clouds from it. There's still plenty of clouds that are out there as that front's nearly stationary right now in South Missouri and northeast Oklahoma. So this front gets a push tonight. So that front gets a little farther south. It doesn't actually get through the area though until late on July 4th. So we're looking at Thursday night into Friday for our time frame for not only that front moving through, but also the rain and thunderstorm chances associated with the front. Let's look at the big picture too, and let's go down a little farther south, actually a lot farther south. I'm going to take you to Hurricane Beryl. So when they launched the new GOES satellite, they cut little mesoscale sectors. So they're little teeny square boxes. There's like two of them on the eastern channel of the new GOES satellite, and they move them around. So typically they have one over Washington, D.C., and then they keep another one wherever there's active weather. The second one this time is over Hurricane Beryl. So I'm going to take you into that and loop this, and you can see this storm in proximity to Jamaica. Here's Kingston right in here. So that hurricane right now, still a major hurricane, expected to move through Kingston and Montego Bay coming up. This is no factor for Arkansas, but still a very powerful storm system that's out there spinning counterclockwise and headed right there towards Jamaica later on this morning. The eye wall kind of came in a little bit here in the last frame or two. I wonder if visible's up yet. Let's see if the sun's up. It's kind of up. You can see the sunrise, and what I love about visible satellites, you can also see those shadows on the other side as the sun starts to pop up. So some deep convection there around that. All right, so let's keep it local back at home and talk about what's going on. We've got that storm, of course, or that front that's moving through. I'm going to back this up. This is where are we now? We're right about there. So we have that scattered rain that's out there this morning in northeast Oklahoma as well as parts of Missouri. Let's look ahead towards lunchtime today. This is 1 o'clock, no big deal. Temperatures are still going to be very, very warm. And then as we settle into the afternoon and evening, this is coming up on 7. We'll have thunderstorms in Kansas as well as Missouri. We may not get the storms immediately from this, but we will get the cloud cover. And then some of that rain does get into northwest Arkansas. I'm thinking about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. That's Wednesday. And then we catch a bit of a break again as we head into the overnight. Let's look at July 4th morning. No problem. Some rain in Missouri. We'll have some clouds out there. And then as we head to lunchtime on July 4th, we're still looking good with a little bit of cloud cover out there, but most of the rain to the north. That front gets that push in the evening. So watch these showers break out on July 4th. This is coming up right in here at 6 o'clock. You have scattered rain already around Tulsa and Grove. And that's going to be tracking to the northeast, Grand Lake, Beaver Lake, expecting some showers. Look at it come to life here, though, by about 8 o'clock, and then 9 o'clock, we're dealing with scattered rain, 10, 11, 12. It's scattered, but yeah, this is prime time for fireworks, and we need the rain. Boy, do we need the rain. It's been dry here for the last 2 or 3 weeks, but it looks like we're going to get the rain probably the worst time, or maybe the best time. I guess it depends on how you look at it. Fire department probably loves this forecast with that rain in the region. The precipitation forecast is right around a quarter to about an inch of rain, locally heavier amounts. The bulk of the rain will stay in Missouri, but we'll have some higher totals here at home in Benton and Washington County, lower totals out towards Fort Smith and Waldron as we head into Thursday night to Friday. That's the time frame for this. The great thing is, in the wake of this front, it actually we get a hit in temperatures. Saturday is going to feel very, very pleasant, probably in the upper 80s to near 90, and then we're back up to near 100 degrees by the end of next week and next weekend. So it gets hot pretty quick, but in the short term, we get a nice little break from the heat, and we also get some welcome relief and some welcome rain. So to sum up the forecast, clouds out there today. May see a few spotty showers this evening. No big deal. As we move into tomorrow, much more in the way of spotty showers and storms. They won't be spotty. They're going to be widespread, especially after dark on July 4th. Get about a half inch of rain on average for most of us. And then cooler temperatures in those upper 80s to near 90 heading into the weekend. I'll catch you guys back here next time. Make it a great day. It is July 3rd, one day before Independence Day.